So today we're going to be building in the Phanteks Evolv Shift XT.
तो इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? ये साइज में बड़ा होता है and we are not kidding.
So let's just super professionally unbox this and get straight to building. So ये सब fade out कर देना भाई, मेरी गलतियां मत दिखा वीडियो पे please. The myth that I know so much about PC building is being shattered.
So first things first, the overall appearance of the build. देखने में this kind of looks like the Evolv Shift का छोटा version, as the name suggests.
Solid aluminium है भाई, ऊपर and नीचे clamshells.
सामने के पास
Oh yeah.
It has 3 modes or sizes: compact, air boost, and water cooling. All 3 modes will fit an SFX PSU and a 3-slot GPU. But that's where the similarities end.
Oh wow. Bro, और ये power button है. Bro, क्या काम करते हैं bro ये लोग.
The compact mode is a smaller size at 13.5 liters. For context, that's smaller than the Lian Li Q58. लेकिन इसमें सिर्फ एक 72 mm का CPU कूलर बैठ सकता है and with no additional support for fans. So if you plan to use a medium to high-end CPU, it's pretty much a dead end. So the logical choice would be to use a screwdriver and the plastic slot to upgrade the air boost.
नहीं, नीचे तो स्क्रू है, ये तो ऐसे अलग से निकल जाता है. नहीं, ये अलग से नहीं निकलता. कुछ तो फायदा होवे. पैसा खर्चा करा है पापा से इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए. अरे यार, यहाँ पे क्लिप्स है ना यार, यहाँ पे क्लिप्स है ना यार.
So the air boost mode कैसे काम करता है? Expansion के लिए आपको पहले सामने का पैनल निकालना पड़ेगा. ऊपर वाले पैनल के पीछे 2 क्लिप दिखेंगे. These hold the top panel in place. इसको अनक्लिप करने के बाद you can actually slide the top panel off, जिसके बाद आप वो नेक्स्ट पैनल भी ले सकते हो.
ओह भाई, Phanteks हर काम इतना फंडू तरीके से क्यों करता है यार? क्रेज ब्रो, क्रेज यार. ये होती ना लाइफ की नौकरी. मतलब अच्छे अच्छे बिल्ड बनाओ सुकून से.
पैकेजिंग में 2 प्लास्टिक पैनल मिलेंगे, छोटा वाला इस बार एयर बूस्ट मोड एंड ऑब्वियसली बड़ा वाला ऐसा कूलिंग मोड. ये लगाने के बाद आपका केस गोस फ्रॉम 13.5 liters to 15.6 liters. This means you now get support to add 2 into 120 mm fans or 2 into 140 mm fans. At least this gives your system more intake and exhaust. Now this makes the case more usable because you can use a 72 mm cooler, but it makes it better if you can cool 5600, 5800X. वो भी क्योंकि Ryzen is very thermally optimized. Throw in a K series Intel processor and you're probably looking at a ticking time bomb. Well then, the case has been very useless so far, but there is a feature that does save its reputation. It's Watercooling Mode. As mentioned before, this is the 3rd mode. Now we follow the same procedure as before, but this time you remove the plastic panel and add the bigger one. This creates room to add a 240 mm liquid cooler. कुछ तो कर पाएंगे इसे.
Oh God, how? Ah, okay, understood. Yeah, okay, now understood. Damn, son.
The 240 mm cooler के addition के बाद you're probably looking at an i7 or a Ryzen 7 with good cooling and without compromise.
Yeah, let me just see how to. And it's not sliding out. अरे I think इस तरफ से pull है. हाँ, इस तरफ से pull है.
Well, this is just one slide of the size. Now watercooling mode takes it up to 17.4 liter. Something like the A4S20 from Lian Li and the Q58 offer similar support in a much smaller size. So उनमें भी similar cooling मिलेगा and you can see from the graph that it's almost similar. So why should you go for this case at all? क्योंकि there's more to life than performance. Sometimes a man wants to look at his PC and appreciate the beauty technology has to offer. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Expandable case design is an industry first. Flaws तो रहेंगे, but it's not like the overall case is bad. The sand does it finish, fingerprints से बचाते हैं. The aluminum build dent तो पड़ना ही नहीं है. मतलब नहीं होगा. मतलब unless you're easy routing of cable for better cable management.
अरे ब्रो, इसका केबल मैनेजमेंट एक्चुअली अच्छा है भाई.
Inclusion of Gen 4 Ryzen cable, वो भी 3-slot GPU के साथ. These are all premium features that you will not find on the Q58 or the A4S20. So you actually can't put a price tag on quality. It's a great step from Phanteks towards innovation and we can't wait for what they have in store for us. That's all from us. If you're looking to get a Mini ITX build, you know where to go. Drop an email at support@TheMVP.in and we'll handle it. Thank you for watching.
मेरे को भी चाहिए ब्लैक एंड मटेरियल.
नहीं, वैसे भी देख, तू मेरा नहीं बिगाड़ सकता because मेरी शादी हो गई, मेरे 3 बच्चे हो गए. किसको दिखाएंगा जो मेरी जिंदगी में फर्क पड़ जाएगा? लेकिन मैं मेरी शादी रोक सकता